Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. That's right, this one right here looks exactly like a Gibson Grabber. There's a reason for that, because it is a Gibson Grabber. But just like a lot of Gibson Grabbers, the neck expired before the coolness of the rest of the guitar did. So this thing, it's got a little thing going on there. So every once in a while it might click, hopefully not during this demo. But yeah, he already knows he's got to change the jack. But yeah, so I made this for the customer. It's unfinished. As you can see, it's just raw maple right now. He's going to do all the finished part of it. But nonetheless, I did take care of making sure all the frets are leveled, crowned, polished, all that's good. And this is just the sound test so that we could show that it works with as little fret buds as possible. So as we know, do not judge the playing of the player. So let's go with that. So it's got some really cool flat mounts on it. It's going to be a quick demo, not much to show. Other than that, there's no fret buzz other than that, which might be caused by pilot error. Like that. Let's play that softly. Yeah, no fret buzz. It's just me. I'm a guitar player somewhat, and it's coming through a tube guitar amp. So it's really trebly, really teeny. Let's see if I can. This is what's cool about grabbers. Check that out. Or if you want that teeny. These are really cool guitars. You know, they're starting to make they made two different types that they called the Grabber and then the Gripper. You may have seen the 3 pickup one that I recently just did, and of course this one has the slide pickup. So it's really cool. It's really cool. What can I say, you know, other than that? So Charles, I got this part done. I'll be talking to you shortly. I'll get all the photos of it, but look at that, guys. We did it. Oh, there goes that outlet jack input. Pop. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's kind of clicky. There we go. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.